Hi everybody, let's get started with minikube. It's a lightweight Kubernetes cluster that can run locally on your machine very easily. It will host virtual nodes as containers in your local environment. First, I'm installing podman as a container runtime for the cluster. I'm also installing kubectl tool to use kubectl commands with Kubernetes workloads and nodes. When you scale up your cluster by adding a node, minikube will initiate a new node as a container. Let's jump in. And this is my environment. I have prepared some scripts for installing podman and minikube. Let me first install podman. And I have installed podman. Let me check. Let's now install minikube. I have installed minikube, but I have to install kubectl tool in order to control the nodes and workloads inside Kubernetes cluster. Now minikube and kubectl are ready to use. Before this, I have to start the minikube cluster in order to start working with workloads in Kubernetes. I will start with 2 worker nodes and let me give it a name. Demo cluster, and I'm passing the driver as podman because I have installed podman as a container runtime for our cluster. And now it's done. Let me verify our cluster. And it has 2 nodes here. One is the control plane and the other one is the worker node. Both of these nodes are running. And as you can see here, I have from kubectl get nodes control plane, and the other worker node are running and ready to use. And now assume I'd like to scale up my cluster to add a new worker node. And it has successfully added MO3 to the cluster. Let's check this. And it will be ready in a couple of seconds. Similarly, you can remove a node from the cluster by giving this name. You have to provide the cluster name, the node name and the cluster name. You can get the node name from this command, get node, and the third one has become ready, and you can copy the name here and paste it to this parameter node name. And this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.